For the past 15 years, Goli LED Limited has focused on one thing: building reliable, high-quality LED lighting products. Today, we proudly serve customers across North America and beyond with both strong OEM partnerships and a fast-growing Goli brand agency network. At Goli, we believe long-term success comes from growing together. For our brand agents, we don't simply supply products. We provide real support. From product training and marketing materials to delivery coordination and after-sale service systems, we work side by side with our agents to help them expand their business and win more projects in their local markets. At the same time, our OEM cooperation remains stable and unchanged. Many of our OEM customers have continued to grow year after year, and we are proud to be a trusted manufacturing partner behind their success. So what makes Goli different? Our core strength is quality control. We take every detail seriously because we know reliability is everything in the market. In addition, our products meet USA and Canadian requirements, including certifications such as UL. And UL helping our partners sell with confidence and meet compliance standards. This is Goli 15 years of experience, strong manufacturing capability, trusted quality, and a commitment to grow with our partners. We adhere to the business philosophy of honesty and integrity, learning and innovation, common development, and contributing to society, and have built lasting partnerships with many leading enterprises worldwide. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to building something great together.